Welcome back, YouTube.
What's that?
It's Caleb and Anthony show. What Caleb is doing now is pulling the old valve cover gasket and the spark plug tube seals out. So these things here are a must when you replace a valve cover. Also, the valve cover grommets that go up here too. He's going to be replacing them. So he's going to show you how to knock them out. Ooh, you're going with an awfully big tool right there. And then always make sure you put them in the right way. Did you get it?
No.
Nope, it's just ripping.
There we go. That's starting to come. Was it?
It's just falling apart.
Yep.
Just take a screwdriver or something a little sharper to grab it. Grab the edge.
There.
I heard something. That's it. It's nothing real serious. So always make sure the mushroom part, the taper side, show them the new one.
Want it?
I don't think that's it, is it? No, that's the wrong one. That's the right one. So
Nope.
Hmm.
This. Yeah, this is the right one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the taper
It's this
side
way.
goes down so it goes over nice and easy.
Not this way.
And always lubricate that with a little something so that it doesn't tear going on. Thanks for watching. It isn't always fun doing auto repair, that's for sure. Challenging, that's for sure. Thanks for watching. Hit the like and subscribe button.